picture.
I got it. Oh, bye-bye, squirrely. That's the squirrel that lives in our tree, right, Soph?
And look what we found here.
Oh, a snail.
It's a baby. And I put a leaf. It's already nibbling a tiny hole in it. There's Daniel looking for some more worms.
We're on our nature hunt this morning. Well, I think the squirrel left.
Yep. Oh, look at it. What's happening to it? It's coming out of its shell.
Really?
Look.
Oh, he's really stretching. Did he come all the way out?
Yep.
Ooh.
That's right. Uh-oh. Your dinner.
What did you find, Daniel?
What did he
We
find?
found some brushes. Paint rollers.
Oh, Mommy, it's just so cute.
Very cute.
Will I let it go now?
If you would like to.
Come on, Daniel. Come on. Let's find something else.
Come on, Dan.
It's fully out. See? It's just sitting there on it.
Cool.
Okay, got one. Mama, do worms eat these?
No.
Oh, the worm's coming back up.
Really?
Yeah, see? Uh-oh, I better hide you. Put you somewhere safe and sound.
Did you say hi to the worm, Daniel? Say hi, you worm.
Here's some plants.
Yeah.
Some grass.